Hello guys, I'm Sebadom and welcome to this first video of this series of videos of PDT. In this series of videos, we're going to go over the procedures that I take in order to achieve creating action figures, mostly 3D printing, post-production, assembly, sanding, and all that stuff. So take this video as a video of zero, just as an introduction for the series to those who are helping us, either reviewing our stuff, purchasing them, printing them, and testing them. Thank you so much. And I want to also take the opportunity to thank the supporters of PDT throughout all these years. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. Hopefully, the new venture that we are embarking into, you will come with us. You will come with us, and we're very happy. Me and my wife were very happy that we have the chance to do this, and that technology it's so advanced that we can now share what we do in our house with you all. As you see here, I have a couple of things here on top of the table. This is Charlotte, our first action figure. This one is not actually articulated. I'm going to save the articulated bit for when we are in the assembly, or in the assembly video. I think it will be the fourth one. Next one is going to be how to 3D print. The second one is post-production. The third one is sanding. The fourth one is this one that I have right here. That is to check all the parts that you have there and how we will prepare for the assembly. The fifth one is assembly. And yeah, the sixth one, you will have to invent it, because that will be priming and painting. And unfortunately, right now, I can't help you with that. Happy to be here, guys. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we can share many years of customizing, custom making, and just chat as friends and share our passion for the arts in general. You will find links to our groups, our Facebook groups, Discord groups, and all that stuff in the comments. But if you look for Planetary Dog Toys, are there on Instagram or Google, you will find everything. Thank you to Resion, who has been our firm supporter, because he gave us lots of resin to test, to print, to produce, to everything. We wouldn't be able to do this without their help. So thank you so much to them. And with that, I think we can kick off this series. See ya.